we've got a 2020 MacBook Air in for a screen replacement. This was actually sent to us using our postal service, so we actually collect it from you directly from your home or workplace, repair and return it back to you normally by the next day using a secured insured delivery service. And this MacBook came from down south up to us here in Stockport. It's really easy service to use. The only thing you have to do is box up your device correctly using some secure packaging and send it out to us. So we'll send you the label, have everything collected from you for the time and the date, and have it returned to you for the time and the date. If you want to get your device booked in with us, only thing you have to do is go to our website, techkoala.co.uk, fill out the form, and someone will be in touch and get your device booked in with us.